makeup beginners, you want to know what's essential? You want to know what are really essential pieces to have in your makeup kit? I got you. With the waves, you make me feel like... Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Simply Sweet Fitz-Ann here, and I'm back with another video. If you're here for the first time, remember to subscribe. Hit the little subscribe button. It's right there. I'm not really sure right now. Also remember to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I upload. Remember to like this video. Remember to leave a comment. Comment of today is, what is your essential? What does your essential makeup kit look like? That's our comment of the day today. So remember to leave that down below. I do answer all comments. Remember to like, share the video, share with all of your friends, let them know that we're here, we're live, we're in living color. So I got a couple of essential beauty tips. Today is not Sickle Cell Center. I mean, it could be. This is my Sickle Cell essential makeup kit, actually. Sometimes, you know, you gotta just rush in and rush out. You go into a crisis, you gotta rush to the hospital, you gotta rush out. Got you. These are essential things that you can keep in your purse. Yes. And for all my beauty beginners, these are essentials that won't cost you a lot, and it'll help you experiment with your new makeup journey. Got you. Okay, so number one essential. Number one. My first essential beauty tip would be get you a palette that does everything. So I have two palettes here. So my first one is the NYX Love Contours All palette, and the reason why I say get you a palette that does everything, there are, I'll read the back. So this is what it looks like. Alright, but it comes with 2 highlighters, 9 eyeshadows, 2 contour powders, and eyebrow powders. So basically your whole face is covered in this palette. You got your highlighters, your eyeshadows, your contours, and your brows. And honestly, you can use your contours as eyeshadows, you can use your highlighters as eyeshadows, you can use your brow powders as eyeshadows. This is key. So this is really essential because it gives you everything in one little compact palette. I love it. Or you could also get a palette such as this one. So this is the Pure, I don't speak French no more, so forgive me. The Pure Soiree Diaries palette. It is an eyeshadow palette, but the reason why I say it is highly essential is because, so these are all eyeshadows, but in my look today, I used the eyeshadows on my eyes. I used the darker ones as contour. I used lighter ones as highlight. I used this one in the corner because, you know, we're not fortunate enough to be able to use this one all the time. I kind of use this to set my highlight. Essential palette. And it has a big ass mirror. You see that mirror? I use this mirror to get ready. Get you one of these bad boys. Get you a palette that does everything. These two are my all-time favorite. I use them a lot, and they come with a lot of product. And to my sickle cell babies, you know when we're going to the hospital, we don't have time to pack 6 million palettes if you're that type of person. You know, when you're ready to leave and go home and they discharge you, one of these is essential, you know, just a little bit of contour, slight highlight, give yourself that awake look even though you've been in a hospital bed for 2 weeks. Essential. The next essential is to have a really good everyday lip color. So if you're going color, NYX, it's a soft matte lip cream, and this is the color Prague. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I love a Prague because it is black girl friendly. To all my colored sisters out there, got you, girl, got you. It's colored girl friendly, it's beautiful, it's not too loud. And if you're not going color, get a really good gloss. What I tell you, Can we just get a moment of silence for this glass? This one right here. You girl, you look good. You girl, you look nice. All right. This is an Essence glass. I want to tell you, it's not sticky. Sorry, it's not sticky. It is super comfortable. At the end of the day, get you some Essence. Beauty essential number 3. Get you a sponge. Get you a sponge. When I tell you you need a sponge, you genuinely need a sponge. When I ask you, I tell you, you need a sponge. When you use brushes, it can sometimes leave streaks and marks, and then you look like a highway, sis. Skid marks and speed bumps all over the place. Get you a sponge. Number 4. This, you see this right? You girl, you get you a balm setting spray. Setting spray is your best friend. So get you a good setting spray. Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, whatever your skin type is, which we covered a couple videos ago, so go check those out. Get you a balm setting spray. This one is the illuminating setting spray, and when I tell you I spray this, you wait for it to dry, and once you dry, I legit use this, and I went like this on my face one day, and you know nothing moved? Nothing moved. Nothing at all. Get you a setting spray. That is going to be your best friend. Essential number 5. You don't need a million brushes. You only need specifics. Usually your brushes can be dual brushes. You don't have to follow the name on the brush. Just because it says contour brush does not mean you have to contour with the brush. Some of them you kind of do because they're kind of hard. For example, I have this one. This is like a contour brush, so you see how it kind of has that angle? I don't have to use this for contour if I don't want to. Your brushes, you don't have to. There's no rules in makeup. There are no rules in makeup. That's tip number 5. There's no rules in makeup. Enjoy it. Have fun with it. Live it 100%. So you don't have to go out there and spend $1 million buying every single brush for every single thing. There are no rules. Have fun with it. Have fun with it. Like my sickle cell makeup kit, if I'm ever not lazy and decide to take one with me, I'll show you what brushes I take. Eyebrows, one blending brush, one good blending brush. This one is by Moda, love it. A sponge, a beauty blender, highlight brush, and then a spoolie, which also comes on my brow pencil, so I wouldn't have to bring this, but a spoolie of some sort. If you bought the Naked palettes, you legit got the double-ended brushes. One of these. This is all I would bring. This is it. This is all you need. You can practically put everything on your face with your fingers or with these various brushes. These brushes. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need a lot to start. This is more than enough to start. And you got the best tools in the world. Your fingers. Use your fingers, sis. Use them. Use them. God give them. Use them. Okay. Tip numero, what are we on? 6? We on tip 6, sis. Get you a really good brow tool of some sort. I like pencil because normally the pencil comes with a tip and a spoolie. So like I was saying, you don't always need a spoolie. Sis, this comes with a spoolie. Most of the time, you don't even gotta do that much. You don't gotta do that much. You just need a brow pencil. Nice. Get you a good brow product. This is for beginners. This is my essential hospital makeup kit if I ever need one. Get you a good eyebrow pencil with spoolies. Get it. Keep it simple. Keep it as simple as you possibly can, because like I said, what was it? Tip number 6: have fun with makeup. There's no rules. So keep it simple. When I'm just running out the house and I'm not going nowhere, but even if I'm going somewhere special, I do my brows. I might do a little bit, it depends on how fast the face is. Brows, highlighter, lips. Quick beat. Keep it simple. Well guys, those are my essential tips, my essential skincare necessities for my sickle cell babies, my little sickle cell makeup artist babies. If you got your little hospital kit ready to go, these are my essentials. These are my beginner makeup essentials. These are my life essentials at this rate. As long as you in the beauty community, these are my essentials. I don't care what nobody says. Talk to your mother about it if you don't like it. Anyway, that was the end of this video, guys. Again, thank you for coming back. If you're returning, if this is your first time watching me, remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to also hit the bell right next to it. It's right there. It's right there. Because you'll be notified every single time I upload. Also, remember to leave a comment. Today's comment is, what is your beauty essential? What do you need to survive? What is one tip you give a beginner? Let us know. Let us know down below. Let us know down below. Okay. Don't mind my antics. Remember to share the video with everybody. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your cousin to tell a goldfish that we here, we live and live in color. Post every week. Try to post every Friday. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Simply Sweet, 2 eyes, 2 underscores, 2 easy to remember. Remember to also follow my business page, Divine Beauty Oasis. We over there, we posting, we teaching all the tips and all the tricks. Remember to follow us over there. Yeah. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces. You make me feel